Hello friends, my name is Shujil Chaudhary. Today I am going to tell you about what is PT. Let's get started. PTE. P stands for Pearson Test of English. PT Academic is a computer-based English language test for those who want to study abroad. PT has 4 sections. Let's discuss about it. First section is reading. Listening. Speaking. And last one is writing. These 4 has subparts also, which we will going to discuss later in this video. Let's discuss the subpart of the reading, writing, speaking and listening. First of all, we will start from speaking. Speaking has 5 subparts. First, read aloud. Second, repeat sentence. Third, retell lecture. Fourth, describe image. And fifth, answer short questions. Now moving to the writing section. Let's discuss about writing. Writing has only 2 subparts. First one is summarize, written text, and the second one is write essay. Now moving to the third part, that is reading. Reading has 5 subparts. The first one is multiple choice, multiple answer. Second, multiple choice, single answer. Third one is reorder paragraph. Fourth one is reading, filling the blanks. And fifth one is read and write, filling the blanks. Read and write, fill in the blanks. Now moving to the last part, that is listening. First part of the listening is summarize spoken text, which we can also say SST. Summarize spoken text. Second one is multiple choice, multiple answer. Third one is multiple choice, single answer. And fourth one is highlight, correct, summary. Fifth is select missing words. Sixth is fill in the blanks. Seventh is highlight. Incorrect words. And eighth one is write from dictation. Thank you. These are the subparts of reading, listening, speaking and writing. Have a good day.